Let us continue the chapter with a new topic, the process of database design. As you can see, there is some differences between logical database design and the physical database design. Here you can see in logical database entities, relationships, attributes and unique identifier are in concern. Whereas in physical database entity is known as a table and relationship as a foreign key and attribute as a column and unique identifier as a primary key. In logical database design, an analyst uses a process called normalization which helps to build a data model that has properties of simplicity and minimal maintenance and non-redundancy. So there are four key steps in logical database modeling. So if you design logical database, we have to follow four steps. The first one is develop a logical data model for each known user interface, form and report for the application using normalization principles. So here is an example of logical data model. So the logical model data model looks like this. Here we have different user interfaces like hospital management system, like patient, date, sales, fact, hospital, etc. So patient, date, sales, fact, hospital are the user interfaces. So second step is to combine these all interfaces into one consolidated logical database model. Okay, this step is known as view integration. In the third step, what the analyst do is he translates the conceptual ER model for the application developed without explicit consideration of specific user interface into normalized data requirements. Here is the example for same hospital management system, the ER model of hospital management system. The last step, fourth step, compare the consolidated logical database design with the ER model and produce through view integration one final logical database model for the application. So these are the four steps